Charles. It's that time of year again.
Wow, I wonder what's inside. It's got some here. Here you go. Rip the gift. Dad, do you know what this is?
Oh, it's the sponsor of today's video. Webupar specializes in making some of the most durable RGB rock lights, period. And if you click the link in the description below, use this coupon code and you can get 7% off right now. So if you're looking for the perfect Christmas gift, check out these RGB rock lights by Webupar. Now, let's get into today's video, how to use the Bluetooth app. So first, pull out your camera, point it at the barcode, download the app, wait for it, open the app, and approve the Bluetooth. Congratulations! Now you're hooked up. From here you have the option to choose from many colors, including using the RGB wheel, and you can even add and save your favorite color. You can choose from a variety of modes and adjust the speed of the light. Modes like RGB fade, 7-color breathe. I mean, the list goes on and on. There's a variety of modes to choose from. You can even adjust the brightness. You can scale it all the way down, or you can turn it all the way up. These are all the other modes available, including mode, sound mode, music, and microphone. My favorite mode is sound mode though. There's several different modes to choose from, but my personal favorite is RGB fade. So if you're interested in getting your own set of RGB rock lights like these, click the link in the description below, and don't forget to use the coupon code so you can save 7% off your purchase. Special thanks to Webupar for making this video possible, and Merry Christmas to you and your family, and thank you for watching this video. Like this video if you found value in it so someone else can find it, and as always, I'll see you next time.